SMB's Shuden says our interest rates are where they should be.
juice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
And SMB's Shuden says we will only use negative interest rates when necessary.
Yo, oh, it's on here. Let me just change that to TradingView. There you go. Hello, 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 hello. What's happening, boys? What's happening, boys? Hope everybody good. Hope everybody good. grab that link for today's stream. There. It's in the chat. Bloody hell, gang, you lot here rapid. Yo. I'm just sending emails and stuff.
S&P
Give me a
Student
minute.
says
Yeah.
The inflation forecast is where we want it.
Bro, the Discord's on fire. Oh my god, so many traders got rejected payouts. So many traders got rejected. Like, yo. A lot of them did trade FOMC with gold. So I'm not surprised. So yeah, I'm just looking at the Discord, innit? There's too many stupid people, bro. Morning. My throat feels weird, man. Okay. Yo, look at that. DXY come up straight to 100 and rejected. Right, so it's struggling at this key area of 100.25 to 99.5. I like that. That's good, actually. I want to see a short down to this level and then push from there is what I would like to see. Preferably. Oh god, yeah, that's definitely not happening today, mate. That's going all the way over to here. Is that Wednesday? Yeah. Okay, let's do some quick analysis. Is keep an eye on the Discord as well. Be written down. Bro, so many traders trading news, man. Really bad. They rejected 40,000 in payouts, but they paid out to 50k yesterday. Come on, boys, you can't be a trader doing dumb nitty stuff, man. Can't be doing that, boys. Today's a clean day. We've got no news. Yellow folder. We've got yellow folder on Forex Factory. Tuesday. President Laudiger speaks at 7:40. That's going to be annoying. And then FOMC. Okay, yeah. So it's red folder speeches, I think they said, wasn't it? There's red folder speeches you can't have. So I think yellow folder and stuff are okay. Let me go look. Where is he? Where's the moderator? Red folder speeches only. Basically, a lot of these people traded gold, yeah, and the Aussie had the speech and they got slapped. So obviously they're not letting you trade gold. and you modify your SL or TP during a speech from a different thing, which makes sense because gold is reflective of all the speeches, isn't it? It's a safe haven status, so obviously you can't, you know what I mean? It's obvious, man. Come on, guys. These guys need to learn how to trade. I swear to God, they're so bad. They're so bad.
Every trade is a decision under pressure.
Yeah, it is. Every trade is a decision, mate. You chill out. Yeah, you chill out. Anyway, boys, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
You got that one more time, boys.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
We're here to make money in the markets. Let's go. So you boys tell me what you're looking at and what you're seeing, yeah? I'm seeing the euro come up, took all this out. Now it might want to drop down. If we're going to see dollar strength, which we could easily, yep, I see that for sure, yep. And it's in Frankfurt high, which is brilliant. So I can work from that trade, from that level. The only issue is, if I take this trade on euro, I have to be careful because it's a speech. Obviously, lads got slapped, but that's red folder speech. This is yellow folder, so I think we are good. Very, very good. Bank of Japan, yeah. So even on financial juice, it's showing perfect. That's fine. I'm good to go on that. Anyway, Francis, Karibo Undugu, Karibo David Undugu. What's happening? What's happening? Mambo VP Undugus. Undugus? That sounds weird. Mambo VP Undugus. Oh, that's Euro GBP. Oh shit, wait. Yeah, of course. Yes. Pound is gonna run off of that, yeah. Okay, so we come out, took this low here. If we take any more lows, I'm just gonna delete that, clean up the chart. Actually, no, I need to keep that because it's the high time frame point, isn't it? So yeah. Okay, come down here. Drag this all the way back here. Stick 7 o'clock on the chart, which is here. Oh, is here. Get rid of that, and then do 9:30 and 1 o'clock. Which I can't do yet. There. Okay, so obviously we've had a massive sell-off from there. I think that price melted off really hard. We've made a channel. Let me just kind of draw like a channel. Just have to do that. Probably go over here. So something kind of like that. Yeah, I'm alright.
At 2:40 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from ECB's Lagarde, who gives a keynote speech on the Eurozone in Sofia, Bulgaria.
So then obviously we've got this channel here basically, yeah, which is interesting. I'm going to mark that as channel so I can see on the high time frame. So Frankfurt come out, took Asia low. What happened with this? What's going on, boys? What are you doing, man? You're really quiet today. You can hear me, yeah? Yeah, it looks like everything's working. Mic's working and stuff. Managing trades, yeah.
At 2:40 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from ECB's President Lagarde, who gives a keynote speech on the Eurozone in Sofia, Bulgaria. We have posted the link to the live video on the feed for all those interested.
So if you want to trade profitably, the best place to start is probably just go to this free.
Yeah, the Discord's hilarious, bro. Oh man, bare people got had. Basically, it looks like everyone traded gold in FOMC. One guy got rejected his payout because he did one-sided betting. For 2 months, he kept buying gold, not selling it. So he got rejected. That's his third rejection on his payout. 2 guys, traded FOMC in gold and they moved the stop loss within 5 minutes of the speech starting. Idiots. One guy moved, was in a gold trade, and Bank of Canada had the speech, and he moved his SL, and he goes, why if I'm trading gold USD, why does CAD news affect me? Why did I get breached? I said, you idiot, it's a press conference from CAD. Any press conferences are going to affect gold. We all know that. If you're trading pound CAD, then you wouldn't trade it. If you're trading pound euro, it's not going to affect you. If you're trading pound USD, it's not going to affect you. But you're trading gold USD. Gold's affected by everything. I swear, people are so dumb, you know. I think they don't even know the fundamentals behind the asset that they're trading. I'm just laughing in the Discord, bro. It's too funny, man. Bro, these are... Anyway, I'm done with them. I ain't got time for them, guys. But I need to get my own stuff sorted out and try and get a dang payout. So GBPCHF is come up here. We got 262, 2657 was there. I'm gonna have to give psychology lessons to everyone in every single Discord at this rate, man. Oh, one guy asked me a question. I'm gonna cook him. I'm gonna cook him. No, I actually think gold prop trading should be affected by USD news. If you're trading gold, doesn't matter if it's otherwise. What's the point of trading it? Yeah, but remember, okay, so this is where I think we're different. Yeah, gold isn't a currency. It's a safe haven asset. If you're trading oil, yeah, and Russia, Ukraine get attacked. Russia oil facility gets attacked. Arab oil facility gets attacked.
Shortly.
Iran oil facility gets attacked. You can't say, bro, I trade oil. I don't care about them things. That's nothing to do with oil. What do you mean? They literally supply oil for the world. So, you know, in that example, I would say it's the same for gold. When you got press conferences of like CAD and all these countries and stuff like that, yeah, if they say something extreme, of course it can affect gold. Because gold isn't a currency, it's a safe haven asset. You see what I'm trying to say? I get what you're saying, obviously, but you should be like, from my perspective, I know what prop firms are thinking with that. And I know why they do it. These guys are dumb, bro. They don't even know what gold's correlated to or anything.
Lagarde says currency changeovers can produce a temporary uptick in measured inflation.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
1 minute till we get the French budget balance.
Bro, I'm literally educating these fools on how to trade, man.
10 seconds.
You can trade news in it, but obviously you can't adjust the SL within 5 minutes of news and like all these types of things in it. I think that this
Minus
might
155 spot
be
4 billion. Minus 155 spot 4 billion.
Oh, nice. I wouldn't do that anyway because that's not a profitable strategy. But if you're a trader, yeah, you know, for me, I don't trade news. I don't do any of that stupid stuff, bro. I'm a trader, not a news trader, yeah. So I followed the plan. That's how I see it, innit? But a lot of these guys are stupid, so I'm not surprised. Stupid people. Okay, yo Bashi, I got a new 10k funded account. Give me a breakdown how I can pass. Follow your strategy, bro. What do you want me to say? You're the one who got the account. Did you buy an account with no idea how to pass? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. This guy's giving money to prop firms as if he's their owner. Brother, are you investor for prop firms? Ayya. Where's the brother?
Fui yo.
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb. Are you? Like medically speaking.
Like medically speaking, Habibi. We're asking medically, innit?
Most high-income professionals are making good money.
Oh man.
But they're still on the hamster wheel, trading time for money.
My man failed an account. He's asking me, how did you pass yours and how long did it take you? It took me months to pass mine, bro. Months. But people don't want to hear that. They want to hear I passed today. I'm not going to give you lies. I'm going to tell you the truth, innit? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. No, I just stuck to the same thing. Always the same risk. Always. Whilst I was building experience and stuff like that, when I got more experience, I changed my approach. Because I realized I'm getting more experience and stuff. I'm now able to handle, you know, more things and stuff like that, you know. So yeah. Did you have traded gold on the 1 minute, bro? You know, as a trader, you can't rely on one asset. Like, I don't get how as a trader you can rely on one thing, bro. You have to be diverse, innit? You don't control the markets. So when you trade one asset, be flexible and give yourself allowances. I don't know, probably because you're trying to pass quick or make money quick and all these psychological issues, man. That's normally the issue. Yeah, this guy's like, bro, it's not fair. Gold shouldn't be affected by CAD speech because it's CAD speech, yeah? I guess, bro, if CAD turned around and said to you we're going into recession, what do you think gold's gonna do? Yeah, but it shouldn't affect it. I guess, but does gold move off of it? Yes or no? I think it will. I guess, oh, so gold moves off of the speech? He said, yeah. I guess, can you make money from the speech? He said, possibly, yeah. I guess, so why can the rule not apply to gold? Because gold isn't gold isn't CAD, it's USD. I guess, no, it's USD/gold. You just said gold can move if CAD had news like this. So if you move your stop loss within a speech from CAD, or are you wrong? No, I'm not wrong. No, I'm not wrong. Bro, you just went through it with me right now and you basically almost said, yeah. Stupid people, man. Stupid people. I swear down, stupid people. Anyway, let's go back to trading, see what's going on here. So I think, yeah, we've come out, took all these highs out. Even this high. Oh, that's more of an equal high, isn't it? Yeah, it's more of an equal high. Okay, so we took out these highs here. Yes, Quant Techo, yeah. They got a lot of rules, bro. You know, they've been crazy recently with the rules. Bare crazy with the rules, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, Kariba Andoga. Okay, now basically what do I see here is a build up here, expansion outwards, took all that liquidity. Now we've come back down to this level here. The trade would have been here, but I don't think, yeah, there wasn't really, maybe on M2 maybe. Nah, there wasn't really anything on M1 or M2, so that's it is what it is, you know. I can't say anything. Mark has been hard for me. Okay, so first of all, yeah, you need to find a strategy that works. When it works, find out what your losing streak is, what your average losing streak is, and then do ×2 of that, or to be safe ×3, then do risk management according to that. If you're not happy with that, it means you want money fast. Trading's not for you. Casino is for you. Go to casino. Go play blackjack. I call it Jack Black. Go play Russian roulette. Go play poker. That's faster. You get faster losing money and faster making money. Because remember, if you do trading without the strategy, without everything, then if you're Muslim, it's haram. Because you're not trading, you're gambling. So you have to have your strategy. You have to follow the plan. If you don't do that, brother, you are doing haram. You are sinning. Yeah, you are making gambling. This is for yes because he's Muslim, innit? And you're Hafiz, you know that as well. You know that, yeah? What makes trading different to gambling is when you have a strategy that's data-driven, factual, and you still stick with the strategy. That's trading. Gambling is, oh, I want that trade. Oh, I'm just going to take it. Bro, that's the same as going to casino and like you just play blackjack and then you hit on 18. That's the same thing. 18's a good hand. Dealer's got 15, you got 18. Bro, come on, that's a good hand, man. Just stand, don't hit. You know what I mean? Anyway, so that's happened there. I like the look of GJ Longs. Now they've had that interesting sell-off. So let's see what happens here then, yeah? Because I don't want to go long on GJ. GBPUSD has just taken out these lows. What the hell? Just taken out these lows. How did I not see that before? I don't know. Taken her out by 7, that's kind of valid actually. That's kind of valid. So if we go to 5, actually no, 1 hour, how many equal highs have we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 relatively equal highs right there. That's interesting. We're not going to go up by that many pips. So this can go over to Thursday, New York session. This can go over to Wednesday, London session.
Introducing the Dyson Amber
Yeah.
Special Edition.
Okay, Dyson, thank you very much. Lads, hit like, please. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but being in that Discord is interesting because even the psychology of all these traders who are funded, bro, getting payouts and stuff, it's really bad. And then the traders getting rejected again and again because they didn't follow the rules. That's really bad. But what I will say is that they are really bad at answering the question, but keep asking until they give you clear answer, bro. Clear answer. Don't just accept it and be like, all right, calm. If you don't understand the rule, keep asking, bro. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Like, say, look, you're explaining in a weird way. Can you make it simple? Loads of things you can do, man. So we got to build up here. We got a sweep there. We got an M5 right here. It is an invalid. I think this could be invalid because you got to build up, sweep, and then push down. Oh, I don't know. This is, I'm not sure. We'll have to see if this breaks structure here or not. But I think that's going to fail. I think that zone's going to fail because you got to build up. Yes, you got this sweep here, so I do agree with that, yeah. Then you've got this sweep right here. But I think that's gonna fail.
Hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind.
Because you got big volume coming in through that channel, contracting back here, tagged into this, give a reaction and fail. So I think it might be shorts through this level down to here, maybe, and then long from there. I'm not 100% sure. I have to check. Yeez, are you still here? Or am I talking to myself? Ahi. So this is still following the lower highs and lower lows. London open as well. Okay, we've had a big drop now. We've taken out Frankfurt low and Frankfurt highs left remaining. If we do go long on DXY, naturally we can buy or short this. So I'm just looking at what is the next possibility of price. What could it do next? I didn't even click on the chart, did I? Okay, so let's just put that. Put that there. So that was a build up there. We had that there, drop that down there. How many pips have we done? So from Frankfurt, we've done 24-ish. Best friends. I think he's not even here. Anyway, pound is still falling. Is it a pound issue? Euro is following, so it could be dollar strength coming in then. Dollar strength would mean yen weakness, so this is definitely not yen weakness. This is pound weakness right here. And we, as I said, again gave reaction dropping down deeper. Everything's working out so far brilliantly. Let's go to gold, silver. Right, anyway, gold is bloody hell making loads of relatively equal lows in this area, man. Just tag me in, you absolute a-hole. Why no bloody tag me, idiot? Bloody no tagging. Tagging me, no. Okay, silver. Ooh. Look at what silver looked like on the daily. Okay, so Francis, are you still here? you know how we were talking about gold before, yeah, and about breaking lower and stuff like that. Silver's doing what I pretty much wanted. So, example, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If we break this low, I'm going to be short on silver to about this level here. That's kind of what I was saying, gold, innit? Kind of a similar thing. Because I think this area on here, gold was at 37 or 3,500, wasn't it, I think? Because it's very similar price action. Let's go on gold. Yeah. See? It's just silver's a bit cleaner on the price action. Yeah, silver has been preceding indicator for gold these past few months. Yeah. So yeah, silver's just looking a bit more cleaner. It's created a bit more clear, clear lower high, lower low, potentially lower high. So just a bit more clearer than USD, which is still a bit more chippy choppy. But yeah, the levels line up good. I just wanted to share that was all. Carry on doing what you're doing if you're busy. Gold shorts look nice from here though. Gold shorts do look nice from here. You got relatively equal highs there as well. I wanted to take out these highs and push down. If gold takes out... what trade are you in, by the way? Are you in gold shorts or longs?
ECB's Pastelides says European economy is showing resilience.
Pound falling off again. Euro just holding. That zone failed, so that's good. Drag that, bring it over here. Possibly drag the next one. Body.
UK Finance Minister Reeves says since the budget last year, the world has been thrown more challenges our way.
Obviously, but if you're the governor of the bloody balance and stuff, shorts got taken out at SL. The 0.7 one still in the game. Yeah. Because I like the shorts. So are you fibbing from Asia? So the low to the. So you're fibbing it from computer, man. It's been a bit there. So fibbing from this low, from this high to this low. Yeah, it's come off of the 786 in it, where these equal highs are.
Cost of borrowing.
I personally wanted to come and just literally take out these highs. Just them highs right there. Just take them out, and then I want to short from there because this is like a nice little channel. Why can I never draw channels properly? Because this is like a nice channel. So I'd want that to fail right there. That's what I'm thinking.
ECB's Pastelides says Europe needs to boost competitiveness.
But it's holding the 786 level. The fact that you got into that same trade as... Nah, I'm not getting into it. I'm just saying in it, obviously, that I like the look of it.
Reeves says it's clear that the productivity performance is weaker than previously thought.
What are you trying to say, bro? You're trying to say I don't win trades or something like that? Oh, this guy wants to slap you, you know. Do you want me to fight you, bro? Just made it equal low there, but that one's valid. Why, bro? Why? If we go see what that looks like. Confluences. What? You're counter trading to me. Because you are my liquidity, Halil comes for signals, I come for liquidity.
Reeve says Tory era austerity dealt a hammer blow to the UK economy.
What trade that is? What trade that is? Bro, what happened to your English? What trade that is what trade meing? It's weird now to get ready to show GU and buy EU. It's a bit of a weird one, I can't lie. But I do like the fact that obviously we took out these highs here and we tagged into a supply zone on EU. We broke structure there, invalid zone there, all that stuff. I do like the look of this. It looks clean. I mean, I do really like the look of that. Currently testing EU strat using same fib basic on the demo. Good luck, man. Gold and silver and like Forex are very different. Let's go to the 1 hour on G. Okay, maybe you don't need to go to the 1 hour on GJ. I mean, that was the demand zone that took out all of this level here. But I think it's an invalid zone. Why? Because if you take that zone out, you'll take out these lows here, which is 1, 2, 3 relatively equal lows and a demand zone that's at the bottom of Asia. So actually, I think shorts might be better. I think I might have been wrong thinking about going long. Hey, that rhymed. I was wrong about going long. Hey. That's 100. That's a big move that is there, isn't it? So let's bring that over to there. Rapid throw these over to Wednesday. There we go. Perfect. So let's see what happens here then. Yeah, it's good to try different pairs, bro, honestly. If you just stick to the one
Libya
pair, you're
oil
screwed.
minister says we have a mission to increase oil output to 2 million barrels per day in the next 5 years. Reeves says budget decisions will be focused on lowering inflation.
Okay, so Reeves is talking now, yes. I'm gonna have to bloody be careful, innit? If Reeves is saying all these things about the UK economy.
ECB's pastor leader says countries should reduce public debt.
There's a lot of speeches today, man. Like a lot.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time and financial.
Voice news disconnected.
Man, now it's connected. It just said delayed, I don't know why. There you go. What did I say about the invalid zone? What did I say? It's a demand zone with a bunch of lows, yeah, 3 or 4 lows. Now let's see if this is gonna take this level out comfortably or if it's gonna make another equal low with it. That's gonna become a support level then, basically. So literally, whenever we do get these sort of candles, yeah, the ones that I want, that's when it doesn't bloody give an entry. Build up, sweep, bring down, build up, bit of a sweep there, not that much, but I will class that. Let me go on M1. Yeah, pushed up a bit, not as good as what that was, but I preferred, like, yeah, it's better than that. Yeah, that's it. So sellers are still in the market, price is still coming down. Just by following M1, M2 price action, still coming down. I need to wait for it to give me some kind of reversal feature, like confirmation, man. Or just allow it to like break structure and tag into a supply zone. But now I don't want to do it because it's taking out this low in it. So now it's a bit suspicious because it could push up from there. If I show you here,
Reeves says in the budget, I will root out waste wherever I find it.
it's a structural M5 lowness, so higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So higher lows and higher highs are levels that kind of get taken out, yeah? So obviously I don't want to take a trade too early or too late in it. So you got that zone there, you got that zone there. Got that one there. That one's a bit cleaner. But to be fair, if I look at M5, it's a whole channel, which makes sense. All of this is a channel, all of that. So obviously price is gonna fall through it, which is what it's done here. It's fell through this channel.
Reeve says austerity is a mistake of the
Right
past.
here. So now could it continue falling? Yes. Will it continue falling? I don't know. So what do? You sit and wait, innit?
Reeve says mine will be a budget for growth that supports businesses to innovate.
Now, if it does a pullback into anywhere here, it doesn't have to tag the demand zone. Yeah, I prefer if it does. If we do anything kind of like, because you break structure there, that's fine. Yeah, we tagged that supply zone, okay, sure. But if you come down, tag this demand, and then we see that supply zone fail, break structure here, break structure
Reeve
here
says, as I
also,
make my decisions on
then
both
I'm
tax
willing
and
to say
spending,
I'm going to
I
take
will
a
do
long
what's
from a
necessary
support
to
level.
protect families.
Because it is a support level. This is a support level. Because you got 3 touches there and stuff like that, and it's holding support there. So I'm willing to take it, but only if I get confirmation on M1, because it could mean that trade's still completely valid, if you see what I'm thinking. I've realized something. I've given an entire strategy out for free on YouTube. I suppose I could be a teacher.
Reeve says we will go further and faster on planning an industrial strategy and reforming regulation.
In 2005,
So you're basically thinking about using the same strategy then, yeah?
It's because of what involved.
Francis. Yeah, just a slightly modified go for 1.5R rather than 3R since Forex moves much more slowly. Yeah, but yeah, if you're gonna do it on eurusd or do it on USD/JPY, because that way you'll always get movement in it. On USD/JPY you'll always have movement. eurusd is not so clean for movement, but might still be good enough type thing. Low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, high, 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 low. Break structure there. Didn't take it because it made relatively equal high there. Now it's a break structure. The problem I found to use USD/JPY is that it moves during Tokyo and okay, yeah. You're better off doing GJ then, to be honest. I love GJ. It's awesome pair. Really good pair, man. GJEU, yeah. I would do GU. GU's got more volume than EU. And if you're trading on an M30 or an M15, then it doesn't really matter about the clarity of the price. Actually, it's going to be the general volume and the general pullback and stuff. So you're better off using GU. But bear in mind, fundamentally, GU is more weaker than EU right now. So if you're looking for shorts, look for more GU shorts than EU shorts. But obviously, you might still get days where G can still do a solid push, obviously. If we break structure here,
Reeves says forecasts based on past data, and the past isn't our destiny.
so now it's taking out this high here. Now, which zone would I want to long from? Not from these zones. These are freaking 7-10 pip zones, so that's a no. Lower high, low, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, high low. Break structure there. had back in, not in 1 minute, but in 3 minutes. Oh, you would have actually had time on that. You would have had time, but what would the SL have been? 6.6. Volume is just a bit high on the yen today. It's just outside of my data range. Only just though. It's fine. I keep waiting for it to create new structure because all this is balanced price action anyway. So I don't, yeah, there you go. Break structure, leave a new demand zone, and I don't mind having a look at that. I don't mind having a look at that. Because then you've got this supply zone right here. Obviously, right underneath all of the. Oh, come on, don't tell me he's running off again, man. Bruh. Literally, bruh. Come on. That's frustrating, bro. Look at that. How many times have you seen me call price and then it does stuff like this? It's so annoying. Now the issue we've got, yeah, is it's missed the zone by 1 pip, yeah. If you look at a different broker, this could easily have tagged that zone. Literally could have easily tagged that zone on a different broker, like so easily. I'm just gonna have to keep waiting. I want to see Euro push down, GU consolidate here, let them level out a bit and then push up a bit, and then I'm confident in taking GU longs, but I prefer EU longs. I definitely prefer EU long over GU, but I need EU to come down because of how far the difference is between EU and GU. There's a 37 pip difference. If you go on Euro GBP, that's going to be up by like 20 pips. 26, yeah, that's not a bad guess. 26 pips. So yeah. There's one way to enter this, and it's on the actual breakout and then covering the low, but then the SL is huge and you really cut your risk reward, yeah. And obviously if your win rate's like 45 to 55%, then obviously you cutting that, you're gonna get in more trades, yeah, but then the odds are you're gonna have an issue of more potential SLs and stuff like that, and then your risk reward isn't going to be as high because you're exposing yourself more.
Finance Minister Reeves says,
I don't think it will.
The challenges we face.
I don't think it will. I know a lot of people are saying that seasonality wise and stuff, yeah. But if you look at the uncertainty in the market, all that stuff, I think it might kind of keep going. It still keep having movement to a certain direction, I think. Especially if you shift into more of a risk on market. Man, that flew up so much, man. Look at that. Okay, really shot up. Let's go back to euro anyway. 2 minutes. A lot of people are saying what you're thinking though about obviously it's going to be a long-term thing and stuff like that. For me, I don't know. I think normally seasonality, yeah, of course, seasonality is data, all that stuff. Yeah, I do agree. But generally, nah, gold's. I don't think so, man. Just want to look at something on here. So I can't take this now on GJ because it's so close to it, bro. 1 pip difference, man. That could easily be, yeah. Literally all of the brokers, 80% of them tagged that zone. So it's just not worth it. It feels like, you know, here, there's like a 10, 11 pip difference. I don't think the brokers are going to have a 10 pip variation, man. So obviously it's a different scenario, isn't it? I have to wait for it to come into a demand zone, which you got one around here, and then see if that zone holds or not. You get what I'm thinking? If that zone holds and it breaks structure, then alright, cool, we're good to go, innit? Get rid of that. I'm going M2 on this, I suppose, and just kind of sit and wait what happens. So I'm not taking that GJ trade as much as I would have loved to. But I might take it on the 50k account just to meet the rules. And if it does work out, great. If it doesn't, I'm just meeting the rules anyway. That's what I'm thinking.
Reeves says that food and energy prices are the biggest cost of living issues.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
I mean, one GJ as Alves.
4 a.m. Eastern
You mean
time.
as
We
well?
expect comments from ECB's Lagarde again speaking in
Alves.
Sofia, Bulgaria.
Alves, bro. Alves. I mean, I'm trying to take the trade in a way where I don't actually take a L. If I can make money, I can make money. So I'm just trying to think about the lot size limit and all that stuff. See how it's selling off.
Japan's Akazawa says parties agreed to cut gasoline tax by year end.
I took a short on it. 3 lots. And I'm instantly in profit. Oh my god, look at this, Lolo. I'll show you and let me pull up the trading view. MetaTrader 5. Oh my god, look at this. This was actually a snipe. Wow, okay. It was a snipe. Okay, so let me zoom in. Entry there, SL there. Go to this trading view. Which one is it? Is it that one? Is that the profit? Yeah, there you go. Got in right there. Absolute sniped it on the M1. Beautiful. I'm gonna wait 5-6 minutes and then go break even. I probably could have stuck 4 lots on there. Oh well.
At 4 AM Eastern Time, we expect more comments from ECB's Lagarde.
Keep an eye on that. Pound still dropping. Come on, keep dropping more. I need to be careful, obviously, of any kind of speeches or anything like that. But as I said, there is no red folder, so we're good to go on that. It's dropping nicely. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna let it drop a bit more. They're gonna roll stop loss to 265 so I can catch that 0.5% in case they ask about it, innit? And that way they can't say anything to me. Let's get calculator at 5864.28 plus 0.5, 254 plus 4812 plus 12. Need to make, oh no, 254 plus 12, 254.32, 254.32 plus 12, 266.30. I need to make at least 266.30. I move my stop loss to break even and commissions covered, so let's see what happens. Either it's gonna tag or it's gonna drop. And the entry was 52, break even was 6 minutes later, which is as per trading plan and everything like that, so they can't say anything about that. Now obviously if we drop down and then we make that 260 or whatever it is, I'm gonna obviously put the note in there, innit? Not the note, to roll the stop loss to that 250 level.
Shortly expecting comments from ECB's Lagarde.
There. Well, that's where entry was, and that's where 269 is. So if we break that low, that's fine. I seen the volume coming in, so I just kind of followed the volume off at the back of there, considering it could have tagged the M5 invalid zone. So if I just go to trading view, I thought it could have literally tagged the M5 invalid zone, took that zone out, and then tagged this zone and have a reaction. So that's why I took it in on a short. So let's see where it goes. Oh, that's the wrong thing, innit? Terminal there. So yeah, let's see where it goes. The issue is we're getting euro falling, yeah, which is gonna strengthen the dollar, weaken the yen, but then we got weak pound as well. So this is a bit of a sticky one because we're right in the issue of weak pound, weak yen. But I need the pound to be weaker than the yen, so it will keep falling, obviously. It's so close to tagging. We need a rejection from here, or it's gonna tag break even. There you go, tagged. So that is a 10-minute and then a break even tag again. Perfect. I don't mind that. I've turned that phone off now. Perfect. Right, back to trading view. I'll leave this open now because I'm gonna trade. Now I've met that rule, I'm gonna trade this normally, you know, so with the small risk and stuff like that. Maybe, I don't know, I'll think about it. I'll close it for now. If I do want to trade it, I can add it back on. So that's done. Go back to trading view. Refresh. Okay, so no movement as of yet. Oh, Bitcoin did a fall off, innit? Bitcoin did a fall off. Like a real fall off, mate. Lol is dropping again. Yen's dropping again. Or pounds dropping again, sorry. Right there would have been 0.5%. Come on, man, give me a clean trade on something. I don't mind waiting for half 9 to take out this low, then push back up again possibly. But there's it looks like DXY wants to take out 100.25, man. If it does want to do it, I'd rather be in longs in it, like DXY longs. So I'd rather be EU shorts if that's the case, and then long GJ. But the only issue is that I've got a feeling both pound and yen are going to be weak, even though you've got possible dollar weakness. But right now, dollar's pushing up and yen's pushing down anyway, yeah. GJ's pushing down here, so it makes sense. See, that'd have been the 0.5%. Lol, that's so funny, man. Because I don't know if I need to make the 0.5% anyway. So if I did it, it would have been good, but nope. Oh well. No problemo. No problemo. Come on, price. So President Lagarde is speaking at 10 o'clock again. Look at that, man. That's looking clean, you know. I think I took it around here when it started to fall off. It's annoying when you can't catch an actual entry though. This now needs to hold for it to go bullish. What I'll do is if we break structure here, and then we tag the new demand zone, then I'll be like, you know what, I don't mind holding that or getting into that basically. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see what GJ is gonna do. I wanted to like come down, take out this level comfortably, yeah, because it's a support level right here. If you go on M5, I think it's a bit more clearer. Yeah, kind of a support. 1 touch there, 2 touch there, 3 touch there, 4 touch there on the M5. So it's kind of a support level. But at the same time, if you look at it, I don't trade support and resistance, break and retest on M15. I trade the failure of these zones, innit? So at the low, we've got all of this level here. So I want price to come down, probably take it by like, yeah, 10, 15, 20 pips, I don't know, something like that. And then if we tag into the demand zone, that'd be even better, you know. We've got this demand zone right here as well. So how far is this demand zone? The 15 pips. So that'd be even better. You go M30. Yeah, that basically this M30 zone. Then I don't mind it because it's actually a much better setup. Because then it's a bunch of equal highs, equal lows with the demand zone right beneath it. So the odds are this demand zone is gonna hold. So I like the look of that. 85. So is that the same as the 15? No, a bit bigger, but still like I can work. So 8. I'll just do 55 or 50, just so it, you know, tags that zone. You can get rid of Frankfurt there. EUGU both dropped, but they've not really done anything, have they, from the looks of it? Probably move it over there. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna hold or not? We've just come and put these lows here on CHF M50. Let's go M5. Get rid of all of this. Can get rid of this and this. So and bring that over here and bring that over here. M5, we've got loads of zones on M5. There, so you've got this low here. Now this looks interesting, and you've got another one right here. We go M5. The Swiss is way stronger than the yen right now. Like as in right in this moment. We took this level out by about 5 pips. We've done this one in by about 5.5.
Think Capital isn't your typical prop firm.
They got adverts now. Lol.
Power and security.
I think it's gonna keep going down. Quite possibly. Yen's still holding that level, isn't it? GJ is still holding that level. It's annoying with these trades, yeah, where you're able to kind of call that reversal point right here, but the odds are you probably can't get an entry. And then when you miss that, it's like, okay, there's got to be a recovery at some point. So let's just see if that happens. If it does, it does or doesn't. Because like here, you took out this channel here. You can't buy, sell from here now because that's just, it could continue up in it. And you never really know. So that's like an invalidation right there. But I suppose build up. Supply zone, the supply zone held over the demand zone, I suppose. Do you point throughout the rock? What? What the hell does that mean? Bro, that ain't even English. Karibu Ndugu, Mambo VP, Asante. That's probably Swahili, bro. That ain't no English. So yeah, it dropped 25, 26 pips on the thingy. Oh yeah. Through the ground. I was like, hey, what's he saying? What? Beautiful. That got taken out. Nice. Let's go M5. Get rid of that. We're right near 930. Coming and taking out these lows. Looks nice to me. It's okay, don't. Okay, bro, don't worry. So there you go. Now we've taken that level out by 5 pips. I wanted to come deeper, tag this demand zone, then take along from there. Because now if you look at this channel here, yeah, this channel here, you can still say it's going to there. And then you got a supply zone there, and you got a supply zone there. With all of this above, oof, longs look nice. Oof, longs look nice in GJ. Oof. They look really good. I just hope it gives a clean entry, man. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Keep pushing down, tag this demand zone, give a higher high, a higher low, higher high. Then take along. And we're literally 5 minutes away from 9:30 time frame. So hopefully in the next 15-20 minutes might get something. Okay. Yen's also done this move here. Euro's also done that move there. Sorry, I said yen then. My bad. Took it out by 1.1 pippy. Okay, 5. I do see where I went wrong in Euro. Because this took the highs out, wanted to short it. Yeah, couldn't really get an entry or anywhere here. On here, we had obviously a build-up, sweep, continuation, possibly entry model, although we had the higher time frame supply. Right. But that supply, what was it again? Oh, it's a supply that took out this low. Bunch of lows, supply come down, broke that low, price come tie back into that supply, broke this low. Then this supply come broke that low. So yeah, I mean, we are kind of order flowing at the moment. So yeah, actually that does make sense. Odds are you're not going to get played out anytime since you need to go over to Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I'll drop it at 4 o'clock on a Thursday. So yeah, I mean, that makes complete sense. Why it's dropping from there. There you go, it's tugged into that demand zone. I like that. Me like eat a lot. RIP everything exactly. What I love to see. yeah. I like the fact that we're selling off like this, because then obviously there has to be a recovery in it, and then we got all this level here. Even if you just catch a partials into like this level here and then you short, yeah, even that's still valid, bro. Even that's still valid. Like 35 pips there on GJ, easy, man. Gold is a bit slow today with decisive, or do you mean indecisive price action? Like it's not clear. Yeah, I still want to meet the rule just in case they turn around and say something, or you know, you haven't met the rule. I'm still trying to cover the rule, innit? But obviously, yeah, I mean that sell-off was nice, you know. With the decisive, slow today with the decisive action. Oh yeah, I got you. As I hate. But yeah, I mean that's fell quite a lot now. Let's see if I was still in that trade, what would have happened, because it literally tagged the break even, then it dropped. Lol. So with the 0.15% risk, it would have been open early 2%. Yeah, it just tagged the break even and it dropped, man. If it didn't tag the break even, I would have been alright, but obviously I covered commissions in it because I don't want to take a loss. But yeah, it's fine, man. I don't mind. But now I'm gonna look for the reversal, innit? 9:30, bro, on the dot. If you catch a reversal, boom, I'm taking that bad boy. You get me? Let me turn this phone back on again, just in case I need to take a trade. If I catch a TP today, by tomorrow I can get the payout anyway, so I need to kind of do it today or tomorrow. So I need something on the 100k account to catch the payout cycle and get paid out in 2 days. So let's see what happens. I'll put it on GJ, go on to M1, set that there. It's exactly 9:30. We've dropped down. We've took out these lows by 25 pips, which is good. So we've completely taken out that support level. We've tagged into this demand zone by about 10-12 pips, which is good. And let's see what happens now, innit? If it's gonna give us anything or not. And we've got pretty clean price action. Pretty clean price action on the way up. Oh damn it, made a mistake there. Lower high. Let's go on M2, yeah, because M2 is gonna be clearer, innit? So lower high, lower low, lower high, high low, lower high, dropped all the way down to make a lower low. Now on M1, this is the lower high. It's coming down to make more of a low. That's fine. Yen's falling even more. This is also still fine, no problem.
your snoring soulmates, but now you need a solution which isn't separate rooms. You can now ask AI mode on Google whatever's on your mind, and even
Oh, damn it.
North Korea is likely to pursue a summit with the US in March.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
You know, some people in the Discord, I swear they give wrong information on purpose, yeah, like the other traders, because they want you to fail. Proper Jews, innit? That's why I don't bloody trust other traders, man. Just get the information yourself, yeah, and then just trade yourself. Took that out from there. Where's M5? So here's the M5 zone. So I'll refine that to M5, go to refresh. There you go. So now, if price breaks structure, I'm willing to take a long. Just gotta take out this zone. And delete that invalid zone. So let's see what happens now, innit? But pound is not looking good, is it? Yo, the UK is screwed. Yo, UK is dead. Oh man, not looking good at all, is it, boy? Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay, so it's took that low out. Actually, I'm going to keep it there, innit? And then just put that over there. Bro, that GJ short was wicked, man. I don't think there was a way to get in though, was there? Because it was here, then short from there, then short from here. You would have taken a loss, or you wouldn't have been able to take that trade, just too fast anyway. And then it broke structure here, then it tagged into pretty much this demand zone right here, so you couldn't have taken it from there. Yeah, it's not really given much as in terms of actually getting in shorts. I just took it from the volume coming in. What news we got? Jolts. We might not get that. We might not get jolts. you would have taken it here, you would have had a break even tagged. If you would have taken it from here, it would have been suspicious because you had a build up of a channel, a sweep, and then a push high, so it wouldn't have been good to short from there. But you had the higher time frame supply zone, so obviously it could be that taken over control. So yeah, yeah, that one, yeah, maybe I made a mistake there. Then to be fair, I read it wrong, innit? It's because of that supply zone that broke structure and we order flowing to the downside. That's what it was. I don't really use supply demand zones on M15 as you guys know, innit? So yeah. That's interesting though. Barely takes any RAM. Are you asking or are you telling? Suppose you did have these few equal highs and then tagged into there and then had a sell off from there. Did I see that though? I didn't think I seen that. Yeah, I probably didn't notice it when I zoomed out in it, but now zooming in, you do have loads of highs there, sweet there, into the zone, telling. Yeah, I know that. That's why I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 meta traders, and I've only got one C trader for the master account because C trader takes loads. Like C trader takes a lot, to be fair, man. Nearly 1 o'clock. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine, bro. You go chill, do what you gotta do, have fun. Peace out, bro. Hit like all that stuff in it, thank you. I'm gonna keep that on the chart, you know. I'm gonna keep that on the chart. So it tagged the zone, then gave a breaker structure on higher low, higher high. This is M1, higher low, lower high in the M1. And then it broke structure there, tagged back into M1. Break structure there, break structure there. They had the supply zone right there, break structure there, tagged into M5 zone, I think. Tagged this supply zone. Where was the M5 zone again? Okay, yes, I didn't even tag it, just annihilated it entirely. So that was the high of the day using supply zone as which I normally don't use. And then the entry would have been London Open on the minute coming to tag that zone, the supply zone. And then drop there, break structure. So if you took it from there, you would have had a break even because it tagged straight back in here. If you waited for it to break this structure here, you could also say that it's a build up of a channel sweep and it might push up. And price did consolidate. So if you did take it from here and you break structure here and it come back here, you'd have probably got tagged at break even anyway. 1.4 pips, yeah. So probably done 2.5. So if you took it from here and it broke structure here and then you went break even, you would have got tagged at break even anyway then, really, unless you waited for it to break structure here it depends. That's much more safer, but you can go break even really fast, because if it is the main trade, had this just flew down, then you could go break even at the first internal breaker structure, not the one external to that, if that makes sense. Yeah, and then obviously it fell down. What was the pip data on that? Should have been about 25 to 30. No, 30 to 35. This would have been about 20 to 30 then. So yeah, 20 is about there, which is right. Also lined up with the support level. And then next is going to be 30 in it. So yeah. Right, okay, just going over that trade basically in it. It's kind of like journaling, I suppose, of where I went wrong. So because we're trending bearish, supply zones are holding. We are order flowing right here, yeah. M15 supply. Damn it. M15 supply zone there. This was just okay, so bunch of equal lows. This was a supply zone that led to that move. Price tagged into the supply zone. Sellers took again, made a low, tagged into the supply zone again. Now it's coming to potentially make another low. So if you look at it like this, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Normally I don't use supply zones because it's rare that you get this sort of price action. Because I did used to trade this before, but then I realized it doesn't happen often. So then I got rid of these supply zones and I just traded the sweeps instead. But yeah, that was valid. That was valid. I've not seen that in a long time, man. I've not seen that in a long time. I might keep her on the chart then, just to have it there so I remember, innit? Come on. Why ain't you? Hey. Okay, perfect. Oh wow, look at the look at the yen go, mate. Oi, oi, oi. This zone's gonna fail. Yeah, ठीक है, कोई गल नहीं. Right, okay, so this is literally the pound weakness really coming in. I think it's pound anyway. Is it a pound issue? Oh, nah, that's DXY strength. That's DXY strength, not pound issue. Where are we right now? I didn't trade that, so it doesn't matter. Get rid of it, keep the chart clean. I love the volume in the market though. Oh my god, the volume's really good. Like a really good volume, man. What's the VIX saying? Yeah, mate, VIX is up to 20. Yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. This is the market I like, bro. More like this, so you can catch like 30-yard trades and 20-yard trades more often. I just hope the volatility stays like that for a good couple of weeks, man. Just holding that level. GJ is just holding that level. I think he wants to take this zone out and then push up. David, are you still here? Did you take anything or not? Madness. I think David's not here, that's fine. Lovely move there on GU. And then it's trending down from there anyway, but even from here it's done 120 pips almost. Right, sorry. Trying to do 3 things at once.
You've come to the most dangerous planet to hunt an apex predator. We might not be alone in this hunt.
Predator Badlands in cinemas November 7th.
What? Predator Bad? Oh, yeah. I want to watch that. That's going to be sick. Guys, is anyone here or not? Because I feel like I'm all alone and I'm not sure. I think maybe. Peace, ID. I'm also gonna cut the stream there because I doubt we're gonna get a change happening within the next moments. So yeah, thanks anyway for coming. I appreciate it as always. Man, the yen is way stronger than the CHF right now. That's disgusting. Yeah, build up of a channel, tax the supply zone, melts through the channel. See that. And then on M15, instead of that, you just get price doing this here and then selling off. I see that also. That makes sense. Annihilation of that zone for sure. I'm not expecting this to do anything today because we've already sold off by so much that I don't see pound coming back. Quickly do a top down again on this. So that's the channel there. Still trade through that later on, so that's not an issue. Where's the next zone? Obviously you've got the market open low, which is right here. That's the market open low. And after that there is no other area. You can just keep going down and down. That's fine. And if I go on M5, I can do basically London high. And then on here, what we're gonna do for New York session, probably these highs here. And possibly these highs here. Click. Go on to this. And there isn't really any I see the middle one, but I don't see the top one because that's 648 pips away, but the middle one's about 30, so possibly we could just kind of push up there, tag down, drop down. That I believe, but that's about it really, you know. I can't see what's the pip difference here to here. It's about 1, so you can do that for 4 o'clock. And then for London high, we could go up 20-30 pips on EU, and we could come down about 10, so that's fair. About right. Get rid of this. Okay, that's okay now then, ain't it? I doubt it's gonna break structure in the next 4 minutes and give me an entry, but if it does, I'm taking it. If it doesn't, I'm not. What's gold doing anyway? And Bitcoin should be falling off. Yeah, perfect. Let's go on the daily chart. How's it looking? Yeah, coming out to take that low. I like the look of that. Coming out to take that low. Beautiful. Gold and silver, what are they looking like? Not the best, that's for sure. Very range bound and choppy. Very range bound and choppy on there. So there's not much going on, to be honest, is there, from the looks of it? That's okay. Right guys, I'll leave you to it then. Take it easy. I'll see you probably in New York session or tomorrow. Also, I'm gonna just do London high there. Pause. Yeah, there you go. That's done. No, we're not gonna get anything in the next 5 minutes, so that's just a no from me on the yen also. Right, peace out guys, appreciate it. See you later on. Peace.
S&B Schlegel says US tariffs are dampening global growth. Inflation should rise slightly in the next quarters.